Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. In this tutorial we are going to discuss the topic disk quota in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Suppose we having a machine that is attached with the hard disk with the partition boot, swap and root directory. Fourth we having /dev/sda4 with the hard disk size 100 GB and mounted with Pradhan. Suppose we having created two user, one is Pramod, another user name Madhu. Whenever we create the user, they can access our hard disk partitions completely without any restriction. But there are many users, they can keep the data unnecessary in the hard disk. They utilize the disk drive unnecessary. To overcome with this problem in Linux, we having a disk quota. Suppose we having a raw partitions. With the disk quota, we can provide limitation space to the user. For that purpose, we are creating some users like user 1, another user we are creating user 2, third user we are creating with the name user 3, and the last user we are creating with the user 4. In this way, we can provide the user 1 like 1 GB quota limit, and user 2 2 GB quota limit, user 3 1 GB quota limit, and the last user 4 we are providing 500 MB quota limit. Now in this way they can utilize the disk drive properly. They cannot keep the data unnecessary in the disk, so that we can give the restriction to the user so that they cannot use the unnecessary data in the hard disk drive. Quotas are used to restrict the amount of disk space occupied by user or groups. Quota regulate disk computation of users. Quota improve system performance. Quota level enables into primary group. Quota can be applied on quota enable partitions. Quotas can be applied in two types, are on the basis of number of inodes or files, on the basis of number of block disk space. To apply block quota, block size of partition is needed. Quota allows administration to a specific restriction in two ways: restricting a user or group by creating files in a specific location, restricting a user or group by the disk space in a specific location. Advantage of quotas. The idea behind the quota is that users are forced to stay under their disk computations limit or with number of files in a particular location. Quota is handled on a per user per file system basis. Types of quotas. Quotas are of two types. User level quotas called USR quota. Group level quotas are called GRP quota. Quota limits. Quotas limits are two types. One is soft limit quota, another is hard limit quota. Soft limit quota limits only warn the user that have reached the quota limits. Hard limit quota will not allow the user to create any more files or directory once the quota limit has been reached. Create the required users with the command user add and the username Pramod. Enter. Here we will set the password for the user Pramod. Password should be the unique. New password and retype the confirm password. Create a directory here. Check the partition list with the command fdisk -l. Create the required partition with the command fdisk -dev sda. Enter. And for the new, here we will give the size 1 GB. W to save. Then we will update the kernel without restarting. Command is patex -v -a space dev sda. enter, reboot the system if it is not updating, format with the file system ext4. The command is mkfs.ext4 /dev /sda12, the partition list. Mount the partition with user and group quota parameters. The command is mount -o. Next, set the full permission with the command chmod. Create the quota database file. Next, enable the quota partitions with the command dev sda12 quota on. Check the quota status, quota on space -p. Apply quota for the user and quota enable partitions. Here set the inode number, soft and hard limit. Save these files and quit :wq. Next, we will switch to user and create some file to see the quota limit. Switch to user promote and create some files with the command touch t1, t2, t3, t4. Once we will cross the t4, it will give the message quota limit exceeded. It will give the warning. Then we will create some more files and finally we will get the message that quota limit is crossed. Create a group and some users to apply the quota limit in the group also. We have created sales group and with the user Sai and the Ram. Here we apply the quota limit in the sales group and we'll switch to users Sai and we'll create some files and we'll check that it is crossing the exceed limit or not. Here it will give the quota limit exceed. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.